Hello everyone, so today we have a patient who has come from Ranchi. So he has come all the way from Ranchi over here. आप अभी रांची से आए ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, he has come for rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty is as you all know, you have seen many videos, so it's now a cosmetic surgery that we usually do on nose. So he is unhappy with his nose. उसका नोज़ उसको अभी ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, सो हम राइनोप्लास्टी कर रहे हैं. तो सेकेंडरी राइनोप्लास्टी है, रिविजन राइनोप्लास्टी. Already he has undergone one rhinoplasty before in a very prestigious institution, that is AIIMS Delhi. So but even though it's done in AIIMS Delhi, saying a very good institution, it's not so good over here, as you can see. So क्यों वहाँ पर गए थे आप?
वो हड्डी बाहर आने लगा था, बड़ा हो गया था हड्डी बाहर आके, तो इसलिए वो उसको छोटा कराने के लिए और नाक का शेप ठीक करने के लिए गया था, लेकिन नहीं हो पाया. वो हड्डी सही हो गया लेकिन शेप
नहीं आ पाया. यहाँ पर अंदर गए हैं.
ये पता नहीं क्या आ गया,
ऑलमोस्ट क्रूक्ड अप हुआ है.
यस.
सो कितने साल हो गए वहाँ पर सर्जरी करने से? 5 साल. Okay, so 5 years back he has got a rhinoplasty done over at AIIMS Delhi, but this is not as per the expectation. This was a really crooked up nose. This is now. So we are trying on this nose. So we are doing a revision rhinoplasty. Dr. Sunil Richardson will be doing it. He has come with a lot of expectations, and we are trying our 100% to reach his expectation. We are just preparing the patient before anesthesia now. In a couple of minutes he'll be undergoing some general anesthesia and rhinoplasty procedure will be done on him. So आपको अभी कैसा वाली नोज चाहिए?
अभी सही चाहिए, बस
सही चाहिए. हाँ, so आपको चेहरे को सूट करना होने वाला नोज चाहिए. हाँ,
सुनील रिचर्डसन is done that.
Yeah. He has a magic hands in that.
Yes,
Okay, so let's see how good the surgery will come. We have sent expectations in this. Thank you. Hey everyone, so today is unboxing his nose for him today. That kind of great day he has got. So this is Roshan. Roshan, where are you from?
Ranchi.
Ranchi. So he has come all the way from Jharkhand to get his nose done. So it's a kind of unboxing day for him. I'm gonna remove the nasal splint. Okay. So you still got a lot of swelling over here. So a lot of work was done for him. So we have put some dorsal graft over here, marginal grafts were put, tip plasty was done. It's a kind of open rhinoplasty, you can see. So I've still not removed some sutures for him, and I'll be doing that in a few minutes. Osteotomy was done. You can see how nice dorsum he has got, all the lines and all, and LR based resection is done for him. Turn that side. This is all the swelling he has got. So all this swelling needs to get reduced. Here also there is some amount of swelling. Yes. Okay, let us show how he looked before. So this one actually is a post-traumatic case and a revision rhinoplasty. So once already rhinoplasty was done in AIIMS, right? Yeah, it was done in AIIMS. So he had septal defect also. Even that defect was corrected. I'll show you how he looked. See, this is how his septal defect was. You can see how it is now. Look at that. The whole, symmetry has come up now. Can you change? Yes. See how he looked before. So rib graft was taken for this. So this is how he looked. This side, please turn this side. Yeah. So I still have to remove all the sutures. Sutures are not yet removed. See, this one is like amazing results he has got over here. That knees asymmetry has been corrected completely. You can see how beautiful his base of the nose looks.
Yeah, so he had a revision rhinoplasty here. So look straight. Okay, that's the thing, So थोड़ा इस तरह आ जाओ, ऐसे यहाँ. तो आपका सर्जरी पहले एम्स में किया था ना? हाँ, तो अभी आपको शीशे दिया इन्होंने, दिखाया आपको मिरर में? नहीं दिखाया इनको. क्यों नहीं दिखाया? गेट अ मिरर. पढ़ो.
How is it?
थोड़ा नीचे रखो.
कैसे लग रहा है? हाँ?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा
बढ़िया लग रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया आया है. ठीक है. रिविजन राइनोप्लास्टी हमेशा बहुत मुश्किल होता है, क्योंकि जो दूसरे सर्जन के हैं ना, वो भी हमने सही किया. देखो अभी एकदम स्ट्रेट है. ये देखो आपका कैसा था, वहाँ पे पूरा हड्डी नहीं था, सपोर्ट नहीं था. वो जो मटेरियल लगा था उसको निकाला मैंने, फिर शेपिंग किया है, रिब निकाला है, और यहाँ भी किया है आपको साथ में साथ. ठीक है. पूरा स्ट्रेट रहेगा और बढ़िया रहेगा. आपको टाइम होता है. हाँ, वो नीचे वाला भी दिखा देते हैं आपको. ये देखो टेढ़ा बेढ़ा पूरा सीधा कर दिया है. ठीक है ना. सूजन है. हाँ, वो दबा हुआ पूरा स्ट्रेट कर दिया. वो नहीं रहेगा और एकदम सीधा रहेगा. अभी हाँ, 7 दिन तो हुआ है, 6 दिन हुआ है, 6 days कंप्लीट हुआ, तो वो थोड़ा रहेगा. बढ़िया लग रहा है ना? थैंक यू.
So how do you feel? कैसा लग रहा है आपको? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
बहुत अच्छा है.
हाँ. तो सुनील सर ने किया इसलिए बहुत अच्छा है. ओके. इतना एक्सपेक्टेशन था या नहीं?
था.
इतना एक्सपेक्टेशन था. ओके. यहाँ पर हॉस्पिटल का स्टे कैसा था आपको? बहुत अच्छा था. कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुआ. ओके.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं. पहले जहाँ करवाए थे वहाँ पहला दिन से ही दिक्कत था, लेकिन यहाँ पे फर्स्ट डे हमको पता नहीं चला कैसे सर्जरी हो गया.
हाँ.
उसके बाद से कोई दिक्कत नहीं आया.
ऐसे ही दिन चले गए.
ऐसे ही चला गया.
ओके.
सही है.
सो अभी थोड़ा स्वेलिंग है, ये सब जाएगा. ये सब 1 महीने में जाएगा. ओके, लेस देन. सो 3-4 हफ्ते लगेगा ये सब स्वेलिंग, और आपको बढ़िया रिजल्ट अभी 2 महीने के बाद बहुत बढ़िया रिजल्ट आएगा. So it takes 2 months at least, for very good results to appear. You could have seen like we post few photos also after 2 months when the patient send us how they look. So there will be like lot of good improvement. Right now he has got a lot of bruising, redness in the face around the eyes. That's all because of the osteotomy that we have done next to the nose to break the nasal bone, to give a proper contouring for him. So that's the reason why he has this bruising over here, and he has got swelling also. So all those things take some time, like some 3 to 4 weeks. So we tell patients to have some patience like for at least a month or so that they get very better results than this. Would you like to tell anything for our subscribers?
अगर दिक्कत है किसी को तो आके यहाँ पे करा सकते हैं. उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा है, सुविधा बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा.
Okay, this is our another happy patient who is living at hospital today. He is getting discharged. We are so happy and thankful, and I can say, you can see with his face how happy he is. Thank you.